I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use this as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Feel free to browse through the channel, learn my strategy, practice very well on your demo account, and of course try them out on your real account. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, and of course guys, we will be going straight into what we have right. If you are yet to give me a follow on this particular platform, kindly do so right away. Like my videos and share the videos with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So we are starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000 5-minute time frame. I'm using the 3M train Milka trading indicator. Is a custom made indicator, and of course right from this resistance zone it started a downtrend. You can see the red flag and the red arrow, which signifies a downtrend and a sell signal. Okay, so it kept on selling until it got to this support zone, and right from there it was unable to break out from there, so it started an uptrend from there. You can see it buying till it got to this region, had a pullback, and of course if it's unable to go below this, then it will go back on the buy trend to see if it can break out from this particular resistance zone. Okay, so this is very important. So we should expect more of a buying opportunity from this than a selling opportunity. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500. It started an uptrend from here, got to this region, and of course it started selling right from there, and of course this is selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, most especially once it breaks out from here. Okay, so it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is very important. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000, and of course this had been an uptrend for a very long time, broke out from here, and of course it is buying. It will be heading towards the next resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then it is going to go back on downtrend. So this is buying at the moment. Okay, it might not be for long, most especially if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. It was on downtrend, it came to an end at this point, and of course it started an uptrend right from there. So this is buying at the moment. Okay, so next asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75. It started a downtrend from here. You can see the red flag and the red arrow, and of course it sold till it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out from here, so it started an uptrend right from there. So this is buying at the moment. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis, apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.